Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Poco Starr from Brawl Stars. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my welcome tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw an upside down V shape for the top of his head. Right there. Turn it sideways on the right. Diagonal turn downwards on the right side right there, and I'm gonna mirror the same shape on the left side here as well. Now in the middle point, I'm gonna draw a circular shape at that point right there, and inside of that I'm gonna draw on the left corner right there a smaller circle. And I'm gonna fill that in with black color. I'm gonna draw a similar circle again on the right side here. And in the middle point, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. And from the sides, another curved line downwards in the middle point and back up at the right corner. Fill that in with black color as well. And from the side of that circular shape, I'm gonna draw a curved line out to the right and to the left right there. Below that at the side, I'm gonna draw a line downwards. And below that, I'm gonna draw a semi-oval shape from this corner. And a curved line across below that. Right there. And below that, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards. Semicircle turn to the left, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side here. And at the lower point right there, I'm gonna turn it downwards. Semicircle turn to the right, across, and turn it back up with a semicircle turn on the right side to that point. Inside of that, I'm gonna draw his mouth with curved line across for the top line. Semicircle turn on both sides downwards, and a curved line across for the lower line of his mouth. Inside of the mouth, I'm gonna draw off center a line down on both the left and right side. Now for his nose, I'm gonna draw above the mouth in the middle point a triangular shape right there, and fill that in with black color. And for his eye on the right side, I'm gonna draw an oval shape right there. And inside of that, another smaller oval shape in the middle point right here. And I'm gonna fill in the space right there with black color. Now above the eye, I'm gonna draw a circular arch shape like that. I'm gonna copy that shape around the eye. In the middle of his forehead, I'm gonna draw a love sign right there. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the eye on the left side as well. Now for his hand on the left, I'm gonna draw a curved line across below the head right there, semicircle turn downwards, and turn it to the right at this lower point, all the way to the tip of that finger, semicircle turn back to the left at this upper point, and I'm gonna copy the same shape of the finger at this upper point right there, all the way up. Now around his wrist, I'm gonna draw a semicircle shape from the side of his finger right there, turn it upwards and back to the right at this upper corner. Below that, I'm gonna draw a curved line sideways and outwards, semicircle turn upwards and turn it back inwards. Turn it upwards and sideways all the way back to the side of his face. At this corner, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line inwards and turn it downwards. Now on the right side of his hand here, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line up, turn it downwards to the right, and turn it diagonally downwards to the left, and a curved line across at that corner. Turn it sideways to the right, turn it diagonally downwards, turn it diagonally to the left and slightly downwards, turn it diagonally downwards to the left and back up on the left side right there, turn it sideways at that point, diagonal turn back up and a line upwards to the side of his arm. In the middle point of that shape, I'm gonna draw a circular shape right there, and I'm gonna fill that in with black color. At the left corner, I'm gonna draw a curved line similar to the side of that circle, turn it diagonally out at the upper point and lower point, and another curved line across from the two ending point. Coming out from the right side of that shape, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line upwards, a curved line across downwards, and from this point I'm gonna draw a line diagonally up, sideways, diagonal turn downwards, diagonal turn downwards and to the left, and turn it sideways. At the side of that, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, semicircle turn to the left, semicircle turn upwards and turn it diagonally to the left and up, semicircle turn back down, and I'm gonna copy the same shape of the fingers on the right side here. Below that hand on the left side, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line to that point. Now below the hand on the right, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and turn it sideways to the left. Now above the guitar right there, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line up and to the left, turn it to the left, and at the side of that, a line downwards. Below the head, diagonal turn to the left and downwards. A curved line downwards at the side of that, and from the lower point right there, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line upwards to the left and a rectangular shape on the left side of that. At this top point of the guitar, I'm going to draw some circular shape right there, and at this corner, and at the lower point, I'm going to draw a similar shape like that, and I'm going to draw a diagonal line for the string of the guitar from the left all the way to the top point right there. Another similar line at this middle point, and another one right there, and another one at the lower point right there. Now for his pants below the guitar, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line downwards, semicircle turn across below the pants, and turn it back up. Below that, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line downwards for his shoe, and across a curved line for the base of the shoe, and slightly above that, I'm gonna copy the same curved line across at that corner. And I'm gonna copy the whole thing on the right side as well. On the left side of his chin, I'm gonna draw a line sideways and turn it downwards. Now below the ribbon, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line towards the guitar at that corner. And on his head, I'm gonna take this point at the side of the circle and draw a diagonal curved line to the point at the side. I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side here as well. And from the tip above, I'm gonna draw a line downwards towards that circular shape. And finally, I'm gonna draw a thick line along the outer edges. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!